Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you're watching this video from. So it has been on my heart to teach this opening on the sleeve for the longest, but I decided to do it today. So if you don't know how to do the opening on the sleeve, stay tuned to this video. Now we're going to be having our sleeve. Remember, you're folding to the front of the sleeve. Take your length, your sleeve length measurement. You minus 1 inch. So after minus 1 inch, your folding should be around 7 or 7.5, depending on how wide you want this thing to be. Now, after that being done, you're going to be taking the measurement of the round sleeve, which is 18. We'll be dividing by 2. We'll be having 9. If I'm faster or the video is faster than me, kindly stay tuned to the video, you understand better. So half of that, from the half, you take 3 inch. So the opening is around 6 inches, or depending on how you want it. Now we're having around 1.7. That is how I calculate mine. 1.7 the width on how we are going to sew. So we are going to be sewing and stitching at that first 3, then we are jumping and stitching again at the other 3 downward. So therefore, you see, it's already sewn, and we're just going to be opening through. And remember, you're folding to the front, not the back, in case it's confusing. You're folding to the front, not the back. This is the back of the sleeve. Take notes, this is the back of the sleeve. Now we'll be turning it over and iron pressing. But before that, we're taking the bigger part, the down part, to the beginning of this first one I just opened now. So this is what I'm doing. This is what I'm going to do. And you apply your hemming gum in it. After down pressing, just apply hemming gum to it. In case my voiceover is not related to the video, you can mute it, and because the video is self-explanatory. Now you apply your hemming gum and you cover. Most people, those other parts that is above it, you can actually weave, but I don't want to weave. I prefer sewing them than weaving. I think folding them is better. You saw the part I'm talking about. Some people, you can actually weave, but I don't want to weave. I just want to fold them and apply hemming gum to it. So this style has been long. This style has been out, you understand? But I've done a video on how to do this, but I didn't use a voiceover, or I did. I can't remember, but it has been on my heart to do this. So that is it. We're folding both edges. So after folding, you still apply your hemming gum, and that's it. So this video, I believe you learned something from this video, and we're dropping more tutorials bit by bit, not all the time, because we are really busy at work and there's no time, but just bear with us. So just put your hemming gun and iron through. I hope you liked the video. If you gained something from it, like, share, subscribe, and follow us on all our social media handles. We'll be dropping on that will be showing on the screen. So that's it. So you see, our length is supposed to be 17.5 and half inch for sewing, and that's it. So whenever you are doing this, just minus 1 inch from your initial sleeve length, and the folding is going to help you replace the correct sleeve length. Thank you for watching.